Hi, uh, today we're gonna fix a screen protector on the 2021 Harrier, TATA Harrier. This is the 8.8-inch screen, and this is the film that has come with the car, which I'm taking off. I got this screen protector on Amazon. I'll put the link below in the video. So it comes with uh, cleaning cloth, uh, squeegee, that's it, and alcohol rub. Maybe I'm not sure. Just opening it up. So here goes the squeegee. Yeah, the alcohol prep pad. There's a small cloth with it, and you have the dust-free dust absorber sticker. Yeah, that's it. So you have the alcohol prep, but I also have the 70% isopropyl alcohol in case I want to do a little bit of more cleaning with it. So I'll take this now. Just a second, I'll just open it up. So first of all, I'll clean the screen with the prep pad. So once you've done it with the alcohol pad, now we have this lint-free cloth that comes with it. Okay, so we will again clean it with this. You need to take out all the dust. So don't switch on the screen. So once you switch on the screen, then you won't be able to see the dust on the screen. So now it's almost clean. I've used glass cleaning microfiber to clean the last part, because see the lint-free cloth, what is said to be the lint-free cloth, was giving out a lot of dust. That's why I end up using this microfiber. Now the screen is all clean. Now this is the screen protector. Okay, I'll place one end and then I'll show you how you take it off. You need to take off the backing cover and then place it from one end or from the bottom, and then use the squeegee. Make sure all the bubbles are out before taking out the protective film. So this is the protective film that goes off. Okay, now there you go, it's all done. It's a pretty good product, good quality. Switch on. I'll try the touch now. It's all good. So that's it. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.